Hello folks, I want to share with you a little bit of fireproofing and drywall. See, we put this foam right in here. You can see it's pink, so that tells me it's fireproof foam, and it's just designated just for that. But just think right there, look right there. See how much that's protruded up, out? Now we're going to hang drywall up around that, and that's going to put a bulge on both sides of our drywall. And our drywall is not going to sit flush, or you're going to either that or you're going to have to crush the back side of the drywall. This is what you're looking for in new construction, so you don't have this kind of sloppiness. There's somebody just going too fast, not caring, to throwing it together. Well, folks, give us a call. Galloway Building Services. We make sure you're getting what you paid for. The job's being done right, and you're not getting ripped off. Anyway, we appreciate you watching our videos. Hit like and subscribe. And hire us if you ever have a question. Hey, just even if you got a question, just contact us. We don't charge nothing for just answering on pictures that we see like this. If you text us or call us, we do it all the time. Thank you, folks. Have a great day. Galloway Building Services.